Oh, basically, I was hearing only with regards to social welfare secretary in secretariat, and it was regarding the ward number 10 councillor who is elected, that he has produced a fraudulent caste certificate. Ward number 10 of Fatorda constituency for Margaon Municipal Council. So the councillor for that has produced a false certificate, caste certificate, and regarding that there was a hearing. Now he has come today with some new advocate, and that advocate is giving excuses that they need another. He needs to file the wakalatnama. Okay, my simple point is this issue is going on for so long time. What were you doing till now? This is very clearly delaying tactics. These are tactics to avoid getting disqualified at the earliest, because the the councillor of ward number 10 knows very well, who belongs to the Goa Forward Party, knows very well that he has committed fraud. He has done something which is wrong. Okay, he has produced a certificate. I have got documents to state. Okay, very clearly on the this is a RTI document. Okay, which states that the association from which he has got the caste certificate is not even registered. When the association itself is not registered, on what basis are they issuing caste certificates? There itself, he is straight away disqualified, because an association who doesn't have authority to issue a caste certificate is issuing, and he is submitting that caste certificate in turn to the deputy collector, who was the returning officer at the time of elections. Okay, and getting nominated and standing for election. So he has committed even more fraud, on not only fraud on the through government departments, he has committed fraud on the people. He has fraudulently won the elections and he has to be disqualified immediately. This is very clear. This document is RTI dated April 2021. Elections were held in March 2021. Okay, 8/4/2021. This is the document. What does it state? It states very clearly. I'll just show you. It says all Goa Toddy Tappers Association is registered. As per records available in this office, all Goa Toddy Tappers Association is not found traced in this office, which means they cannot issue a certificate. Whereas all Goa Toddy Tappers Association, okay, is found registered in this office on 9th June 1965, but not renewed till date. Society is unregistered. This is RTI document. Not only this, another thing further I will go. Okay, there is a order which is there from the Societies General of Societies in North Goa. This order, okay, very clearly states here, okay, that they are that society which has issued the order is not registered. Okay, this is the order, that it is not registered. So when it is not registered, how are they issuing certificates? They have to be this candidate and any other candidate across Goa, whoever has stood on with these certificates has to be disqualified. There is no two ways about it. They have to be disqualified. They don't have any authority to be in power at the moment. They have not only committed fraud with the government departments, they have committed fraud on the entire voters of their respective wards and constituencies, and so have the parties who have supported them. This is all I have to say. And I have got further proof also, which I will produce further on the next hearing from other departments. Next date is given on 3rd of October at 4 p.m. again. So we will be there that time.